Hello everyone, I am going to show how to make a timeline for a new movie. Welcome to Timeline Project. You can now see this is the admin Google account. Here you will receive the notification for new movie request. From here you need to go to the Google Drive. So in Google Drive you can see there is a folder named Timeline Project. Go there. Here you can see some files, Google spreadsheets, and this is the website we built for the timeline host website, and there are two movies here, and this file is for registering the new movie request from users. Now to make a new timeline easily, just copy a existing movie file. So right click and make a copy. Okay, so now this is the new movie file. I will rename it as the movie name, say Manchester by the Sea. Okay, so now I will open this file. So these are information from the previous movie that I copied from. So I will delete this data or information. Okay, so here you need the year of the movie here, and this is the title slide actually. So just headline, I will put the movie name and Manchester by the Sea, and a description for a movie. So let's say this is the description. We'll copy it and put it there, and if you have an image you can put the image here. Copy image address, put it there. So now the title slide is ready, and I can actually publish this to the web. The next step, so it's published now. So if I copy this and the address of this spreadsheet and go to this Nightlab website, and put it in step 3 and go to preview. So the timeline is there already. We need to add more scenes. I will add more scenes later. So from here you need this embed code to embed it in the website. Now I will do it later. Now just go to the timeline project website. Okay, this is the admin view. Go to pages. Here you can add a new page. The new page is the movie name Manchester Manchester by the sea. Done. Lower. Okay, so this is the so actually the image. I will change the title only. Okay, so that's the title only. Now you need to put the insert embed code. So I'll copy this embed code and go there. So it's there now. This is the timeline of this movie. You can see now here. Next we need to work on the how to add automatic new scene and generate comment page. For this, go to tools, script editor, and this will come up. So rename this as you want, Manchester by the sea. Okay, wait for it to take effect. Okay, so now there are already the code is there because we copied it from the previous file. Now I am going to run this initial setup, review permission, timeline project, go to advanced, go to MBS, allow. Okay, now go to edit, current project triggers, edit trigger. It's a scroll to do post from spreadsheet on from submission, save. Now you need to go to publish and deploy as web app. So here execute as the timeline team lucky and anonymous. Anyone can access this, configure as this and press update. Okay, now you need this web app URL, copy it and go to this index.html and the line 16 put the link of the web app there. So now send. So your HTML code is ready now. You can put it in, copy it and go to your website. So here I will add another embed code, HTML, next, insert. Okay, so this is the input for adding new scene. Now your web page is ready. Now I will show how to add how to configure it for generating comment pages. To do this, you have to go to okay, before this let's publish this. Okay, the web page is published now. I can view it in the link now. So this is the user view. users can see it here. Okay, to generate comment option, go to the this page is iftt.com. This is the admin account, logged in with the Gmail account. So go to my applets, new applet. There are already applets for other movies, so you have to create just one new applet for this movie. So this screen, click on plus this, choose Google, choose a service, Google Sheet. So here choose a trigger as new row added to spreadsheet. Okay, so it comes out at this field. So just in here you need to put the address link of this Google spreadsheet. Put here, create trigger. Now plus that, choose an action, so WordPress. So choose action, should be create a post. Now you have to configure these fields. For title, it's coming from, title is like headline, so it's column J. So just column J, and in body I'm going to write Manchester by the sea, scene, time, from, it will come from column A to column E. So it's ready now. Delete this tag, and there's a post status, publish immediate, create action. Check this and name it by this movie name, Manchester. Let's see. Now finish. So the applet is ready now. So everything's ready. I can actually add new scenes to the timeline now. This is the user view of this movie page. So let's try and add a new page now, comment page. So let's say it's a scene from, the scene starts for 50 minutes and scene 54 minutes. So this is an optional field, but I will put a YouTube video link here. Okay, now the headline should be, let's say, police station scene. This is the headline, and in the scene description I'm going to write something here, be at police station. Now I will press send. Okay, so as an admin you can see what happens here. So you can see the data is in the Google Sheet now, and also this is the comment page link already created here. So if we just refresh the page now, you can see the user can see actually the scene in the timeline here, the police station scene, and this is the comment scene. So let's check whether the page is created or not. This is the WordPress account logged in with the admin Gmail account. So let's refresh it. You can see a new post is already created here. So we can actually access it here, and user can actually put their comments here by filling out this they can log in with WordPress or Gmail or Twitter or Facebook account, or they can just put their email and name and post the comment. They have an option to check. If they check this box, they will get a notification by email if someone else comments on them. So let's try to add another scene. Let's say that start time is 4 minutes, 8 minutes. So if you don't have the video link, you can just write blank and put a headline. This is a test. Test in description. Now send. So okay, the information is already here. So if we refresh the page now, you can see the here. This is the scene we just created here, added here. So here is no video link, so it's empty, but you can comment here. So if we press this, you can it is going to the comment page. Already created the comment page. So that's it. And if we go to there, we can see a new page has been created already. The internet is slow. Anyway, this is it, how to do a new movie page. So thank you everyone for watching.